We are currently cruising on the Mekong River in Cambodia. I can go? Yes? Hello.
Hello.
Are you going?
Yeah, yeah. Me driver. Me driver.
You're the driver?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, is it nice? A nice tour?
Yeah, yeah.
1 hour?
Yeah, 1 hour.
What is your name?
Nee.
Nee?
Yeah, Mr. Nee. Yeah.
Martin. Hey.
But
I trust you. It will be safe?
Yeah, sure.
Very safe,
I am
huh?
the driver.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you drink?
No, no.
No drink? Okay,
No
good.
drink.
Okay, I trust you.
Yes, sir.
Oh, what a nice captain, the driver, he says. Driver of our Narn Sky 2 turbo. Such a happy, friendly man. What a smile. It brightens my day. Let's go on this here. Fuck, that's a bit shady. I guess we'll go to the upper deck. Let's see what we find here. Wow, this is pretty nice. Hello. Hello. Ooh. Got some snacks. Hi. What's the best place to sit? This side or this side?
Both.
Both sides. I can't. What's first? Where first?
First.
This side first? Okay. Got to trust the ladies and take a seat on this side here. Wow. I see we have a fridge stacked full of beers as well. And 1 beer should be included. I don't drink alcohol, so I'll just go for juice. I think we're almost ready to go here. There are actually quite some people now. It was empty when I entered. Now there are more people. Here's another boat getting filled up with tourists. And there we already have a boat on the river. Look how full that boat is. Alright guys, we're off for the sunset cruise. In the meantime, there's another boat coming here. And these people are gonna go on the other boat. There are actually quite some people here now. It was quite empty when I entered, but now it's not full. There are quite some people. How beautiful is this, guys? It's a sunset cruise. We have the sun going down there. This is the Mekong River, the Mekong Delta, here in Phnom Penh, the capital of Cambodia. Here in front of us you can see one of the many ferries that are used to cross this very wide river. You can see it's very wide. Actually, this here is an island, so you have the river going this side and also the other side, and look at the distance. Look how far that is. And this is the skyline of downtown Phnom Penh. There are some modern buildings. What drink do they have here? This is all beer. I get 1 drink?
Yes, yes.
What do you have without alcohol?
Like Coke.
Okay, can I get this? What's this? Yeah, what is it? Okay, made from real fruit, but it doesn't say what fruit. Soursop. Oh, is soursop a fruit? I don't know any of these fruits. Let's give it a try. There we go. It's a bit like apple juice. Is this an apple? Soursop? Interesting. We've made our turnaround, so we're going the other direction now, going back to our starting point, but we'll check out the view on the other side now. I kind of think we're blocking the view for these people behind me now. Here on the other side we can see the ferry port. It's like a very big road. There are all the ferries crossing. It's like one after another. They're going to downtown Phnom Penh. The sun is almost completely gone now, so we're heading back to the starting point. That's the end of the cruise, guys. We're back at the starting point, and it's almost completely dark now. Oh wow, so these little monks here. That was our boat. You can see all the other boats as well with the beautiful lights on the river now. We're struggling our way back up to the city.